How to withdraw Temu credit balance. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Temu typically operates on a model where users can earn credits or rewards, which are often used to offset the cost of future purchases. However, Temu does not have a straightforward method for withdrawing the credit balance in cash. Users generally use their credit balance to shop on the platform, and it cannot be converted back into cash or transferred to a bank account directly. However, if you are looking to withdraw or utilize your Temu credit balance, then there are a few methods you can use. You can use your credit balance to buy items on Temu platform. Simply check out as usual, and if your credit balance is sufficient, it will automatically apply during the checkout process. Temu's credit system, rewards, or balance may subject to specific terms, such as expiration dates or conditions on how they can be used. Check their FAQ or support documentation to understand how credits are managed in Temu. And if you are still unsure about how to manage or withdraw your credit balance, contact Temu's customer support for team assistance. At the moment, the most common way to use your Temu credit balance is to spend it on their platform itself. So, this was about how to withdraw Temu credit balance. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Rocket Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.